This is not the Camp Nou you remember. The pitch is almost complete, but the stadium? It's a wild construction zone, concrete, cranes, and chaos everywhere. And today, we just hit a major turning point. Let's start with the field, because yes, inside the stadium, the pitch is nearly complete. After months of seeing only dirt and steel, we finally have green covering most of the pitch. It's a hybrid turf, mostly natural grass with synthetic fibers, and it looks incredible. Workers are already watering it, trimming it, and putting on the final touches. The corner near ᶜᵒᵐᵐᵉ is almost done, and in just a few more hours, the whole field will be ready. It's the first time in a long while we can say, Camp Nou looks like a football stadium again. Now, let's talk about what everyone's calling the festival. Today we saw 3 massive concrete pumps working at the same time. That's rare, and it means business. They were pouring non-stop into the diamond structure at the stadium entrance, which will house the new Barça store. This is big. The diamond is one of the most symbolic parts of the project, and it's nearly complete. Right behind it, the cafeteria diamond is catching up fast. And there's non-stop activity in the corners, like the ᶜᵒᵐᵐᵏ zone, where new steel beams and vertical walls are going up. Over in the stands, new white seats are being installed, some covered in protective plastic, others already in place. The central section of the main stand is still missing a chunk, but progress is happening. In the second tier, new staircases are popping up everywhere, giving us a glimpse of how fast this structure is climbing. Even in the VIP ring, the scaffolding and frameworks are growing by the day, getting ready to support new platforms and pathways for fans. We're now standing at the tribune terrace area, and just to the left, the space is almost completely sealed off, getting ready for the next phase of diamond construction. There's a huge truck loaded with dirt parked nearby, though honestly it's hard to tell where they dug all that from. 2 elevated platforms are busy installing new steel pieces around the staircase area. Over to the right, workers are carefully placing more alveolar slabs to close up a small gap left in the cantilever section, pushing the project even closer to the next big milestone. Materials are flooding in. From huge steel girders to prefab beams, the site is stacked. In the ᶜᵒᵐᵐᵏ corner, there's a mountain of gear waiting to go up, including the long-awaited roof trusses. Workers are now prepping the cimbras, those massive molds that help form the support walls. And they've started installing panels for new walls inside key areas like the tunnels and elevator shafts. The big surprise? A trailer just arrived with 3 new support trusses, meaning we might finally see a new section of the 3rd tier rising soon. Right now, they're hammering a formwork panel into the retaining wall, but honestly, it's a bit disappointing. No new trusses have been installed yet. I really thought we'd see some today. They did manage to place connection pieces between the structural arms, though. Also, lots of wood and rebar are ready nearby, and 5 new grandstand beams are already on site, waiting for the next move. So, the pitch is nearly complete. The iconic diamond entrances are rising, and the concrete pumps haven't stopped all day. From the seating areas to the tunnels, everything is moving fast. Every week brings a huge leap forward, and today might be one of the most important days so far. The new Camp Nou isn't just under construction, it's starting to look real. Subscribe for more updates. You don't want to miss what's coming next.